Okay, so back here just for a few finishing comments about our teapots. So I've got the two teapots that I have been working on here, putting a different style of spout on each one. Other than that, they're basically the same. So just last thing to do, once you have your spout attached, you have your handle put on, you just want to remember to put a small hole in the top of your teapot lid. What that's going to do is just release kind of like the vacuum created from having the air sealed up inside, and it's going to let the tea flow out much more nicely, evenly. It won't glug like glug, 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 glug. In other words, it won't splatter and surge and so forth. So I've done that with each one of mine. You can come and borrow a hole punch from me to do that, or you can just get a simple straw. As long as your clay hasn't gotten too dry, the straw should be able to just basically pierce through there and make that hole for you. So at this point, I think I'm done with mine. I'm going to sit and look at them for a bit, decide if I want to put some sort of little knob or handle on top, or if I want to try and carve or attach or do any decorations to the outside. Knowing me, I like things simple. I will probably decide to just leave these ones as they are and call them finished. So I will just go ahead and hold them up close to the camera, give you guys a little bit closer look. This one is a new spout for me to try. I'm very anxious to see how the tea pours out of it. Hopefully it has a nice flow. Hopefully it cuts off and it doesn't drip too much. So as I said, something new that I tried this year. So I'm really hoping or anxious to see how it works out. Okay, and then the foot ring on both of them as well. Okay, so that's it. Those are my two teapots. And that'll be it for this project, and then we'll be moving on to our next project. Hope you guys have a great day, and we'll see you when we begin the next project.